Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Cecilia and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. This one will be on the Valentine's Day cut crease. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching.
You a walking trophy, my girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friend.
As usual, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan as my base for my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be placing that all over my eyelids and then going in with a fluffy blending brush and blending it out. Taking that pink from Morphe Brushes 35B palette and just packing it on into my crease and then blending it out. Taking that dark pink shade from the Morphe Brushes 39A palette and also blending it right into my crease to darken it up a little bit. Using the same brush I used for my transition color, I'm just going to blend everything together to avoid having harsh lines. So the crease wasn't dark enough for me, so I went back in with a burgundy shade, I believe this is, from the same Morphe 39B palette. Morphe Brushes 39A palette. Using Tarte Shape Tape, I am just going to carve out my crease with a flat brush. Right here I am just blending out the outer V with the same colors I used in my crease. I'm using Too Faced Glitter Assurance to apply these glitters, and they are from Luxe Glam Cosmetics, I believe. It's an Instagram brand. And I really should have did my eyeliner before I put the glitter on, because once I did that, everything just became chunky and it was a whole mess, but I got through it. I'm prepping my eyelashes for my falsies using the BECCA Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and then I'm just going to use my Wispies number 8. I'm going to speed through everything from here because the highlight and contour routine is basically repetitive, and I have plenty of videos on those, so I'm just going to link it in the description box down below. guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.